What's up everybody? Ryan Adams Group at Compass, and today it's Home Tip Tuesday and we're talking fireplaces. Everyone loves the fireplace, whether you're just using it for the ambiance or you want a little heat, you want a little romance, or you just want a picture that you're at a snowy mountain lodge in Colorado. Fireplaces are wonderful, and when you buy a house, maybe if you bought it new, it came with a really great fireplace, you don't even have to listen to this. But say you're in that house and you're in your house and you really want a fireplace and the one you got just isn't up to par. Well, today we're going to give you some tips on how you can bring it up to par and actually crush that and make it a sweet looking fireplace. So, and actually it's less inexpensive than you would really think it would be. So let's go over and we're going to check out a fireplace.
All right guys, we're here. This is the Adams fireplace. This is what the new fireplace is, but it isn't necessarily what it was. Jacob, throw up a little clip picture of what our previous fireplace looked like. Awesome, that was it. Crazy, but that was our fireplace. The peach tile, yeah, not a fan. No offense to the previous owners, peach isn't my color. But look what we did here. Basically, we kept the mantle, we kept the trim, we kept the woodwork all here. We replaced the tile with this stacked stone all around to the bottom, all the way to the hearth. The stacked stone was probably about, I think we ended up getting this done for about 800 bucks, but looks like completely different comparatively to other. Originally what was actually in here, and in most houses, like I'm in Sienna, they had a gas pipe that went through, and you could put real wood in there. It has a chimney flue that goes all the way up. I don't want the ash, I don't want the mess. We actually got the fireplace connection up in Houston. They came in, they brought this deal out. It was 700 bucks for this. And they basically redid all this, brought in the lava rock. And then literally all I have to do is push a button and boom, fire open. Glass was already here. Keep that open. Still provides a lot of warmth and has just a great ambiance for the room. And that whole deal with fireplace connection comes with the lava rock, the kind of little ambers that make it glow, and all of that.
Well, that was it. What do you think? Fireplace under 1,500 bucks and it can look like that? Absolutely. And I mean, what's better than a remote control? You can turn fire on and fire off. I bet the cavemen would wish they had that back in the day. That's it. Home Tip Tuesday. Fireplace, guys. If you don't have one, get one.